Hey everyone. Today we're checking out the Ultimate Kitchen Companion, a 26-piece stainless steel mixing bowl set with airtight lids, grater attachments, and non-slip bottoms. These bowls are perfect for mixing, serving, and more. Let's dive in and see why this set is a game changer for your kitchen. The airtight lids that come with this mixing bowl set make it easy to store ingredients and leftovers without worrying about spills or leaks. 3.5 Cute had a removable lid inside the main lid, for adding contents or pairing it with your blender without removing the entire lid to prevent splash. This bowl set comes with 3 different grater attachments: slicing, grating, shredding. Just shred or slice right into the bowl. The rubber on the bottom of the mixing bowls is for gripping and staying put, which prevents sliding on the countertops when mixing and also protects the desk from high temperatures. Attention! The stainless steel bowls needs to be cleaned in time after use to avoid excess stains caused by rust, especially oil stains. These kitchen serving bowls can be nested together and offer space-efficient storage in neat kitchen cupboards. The mirrored interior makes cleaning a breeze. This mixing bowl set also is dishwasher safe. Just put it in the dishwasher after use, and you will get a new bowl set. But pay attention that the lid is suitable for hand washing, as the heat of the dishwasher can warp them. Tools set. The range of sizes from 7 QT down to 1 QT. Each bowl comes with a QT label to make it easier to choose the right size. Bowl sizes fit on standard size refrigerator shelves and cabinets. Comes with a brush, spatula, whisk, measuring spoons. The stainless steel construction is durable. This bowl set is constructed of a mirror finish interior and matte finish exterior, ensuring dent resistance and rust-proof. Food-grade stainless steel will not corrode or produce spots after long-time use. Please attention that after each cleaning it is necessary to dry the inside with a cloth to prevent the corrosion of the remaining water on the bowl.